Hey guys, how's everyone doing? We are back again to bring you insights and advice on your real estate journey. So if you're looking for a property tutorial and how-to channel, you've come to the right place.
Why do some property rent higher than others in the same development, even though they are on a lower floor? What would it take for you as a landlord to rent your unit at a higher price than your neighbors? Today, we share 5 tips on how to rent your property at a premium. Let's go.
Number 1, having control of what you can provide. Having a list of preferred service providers creates a one-stop solution for your tenants, such as handyman, painters, aircon service providers are just some examples to create a hassle-free experience for your tenants. Tenants will see this as a value-added proposition. Remember, when you take care of your tenants takes care of your property.
Number 2, be open to tenants' requests. As much as possible, try to accede to tenants' requests as long as they are reasonable. So for example, a request such as marble polish or parquet varnish may cost you a little bit more, but use this to negotiate through your realtor for a better price. Remember that in the long run, these improvements stay in your home.
Number 3, quality furnishings. It might sound silly to spend more on a rental property, but quality furnishings such as good furniture, good beds, and good appliances sets you apart from your competition. We must remember the costs incurred are amortized throughout the lease period. So if the net rent is good, why not? Happy tenant, happy landlord.
Number 4, know your unit's USP. The reasons you bought your unit in the first place are exactly the same reasons why tenants will want to rent from you. So assess with your realtor to amplify the unique selling points of your unit to prospective tenants. For example, if your unit has got an exceptional balcony view, open the balcony doors and windows for tenants to see once they enter the unit. This will create a great first impression for them. Or if you have got a small size unit, just keep the finishing simple yet elegant to amplify its spaciousness.
Last but not least, aesthetics, which is the most important tip today. Keep your house sparkly clean during viewings. The little details like flowers, rugs, ornaments and paintings will bring the unit to life. To go above and beyond, turn on all the lights and air conditioning to give a feel-good factor. You'll be surprised that these elements can make the difference.
Use these 5 tips to make tenants feel at home when they enter your unit. This will increase your chances of renting your unit at a premium.
That's right. We hope you found this useful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos to help you in your real estate journey. See you and take care.